A render target is a buffer that is filled with pixels during rendering. Proper camera and render target configuration is crucial when multiple cameras share one render target. We start with an empty Scene Composer solution and delete the Scene 3D. Confirm the Delete Items dialog by clicking OK. Next, we open Scene 2D and add a solid color node from the toolbox. This creates a small white square. In the Extra Scene tree, select the Solid Color Brush Blend effect. In the Properties panel, increase its size to 400 by 400 pixels. Now create 2 copies of Scene 2D. Use Ctrl+V to paste the scene twice. Open the first copy, select the Solid Color Nodes effect and change its color to blue. Then open the second copy, select the Solid Color Nodes effect and change its color to red. Each scene has its own camera and every camera is associated with a render target. In the Render Targets panel, select the camera of Scene 2D_1 and adjust its viewport by moving it 100 pixels to the left. We also disable clearing of the color buffer. This allows previously rendered content to remain visible in the background. Next, select the camera of Scene 2D_2 and adjust its viewport by moving it 100 pixels downward. Again, we disable clearing the color buffer. Let's test this setup in the player. When prompted, agree to save your solution. In the player, we can see the white scene. Let's enable rendering for the blue and red scenes. You can see whichever camera is turned on, it gets rendered on top. However, the render order should remain consistent to ensure a correct visual result. In Scene Composer, the render order for concurrently rendered cameras is determined by the camera's sequence number. Cameras with lower sequence numbers are rendered first. In our example, Scene 2D receives sequence number 0, Scene 2D_1 is number 1, and Scene 2D_2 is number 2. Let's test this configuration in the player. The render order is now clearly defined by the camera's sequence numbers, resulting in a consistent visual output.